Hola subscriptores, Painter24 here, and I'm about ready to recycle some Undaunted packs, and I do believe that I have 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that underway. You guys can see those packs in the back. That would be first edition Team Rocket and 6 base booster packs. Those should be coming after the Undaunted packs that I'm opening right now. I do have a couple of booster boxes on the way, and I will be opening some Triumphant at some point, so look for those. But here we go. I'm going to start off with a Slugma, but I want to fix my camera. So, 1 second. Whoop. Whoop. That looks a little bit better. Yeah. So I have a Slugma, a Murkrow, Sneasel, Pikachu, Togepi, Slowbro, Legend Box, Energy Exchanger, a Skuntank Reverse, and a Togekiss Holo. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. And I'm starting it off with a Houndour, Stunky, Hitmonchan, Eevee, Misdreavus, Burn Tower, Darkness Energy, a Flareon, a Gliscor Reverse, which is a rare, and my rare is a Vespiquen. It's a pretty good start. I think there's still a prime or two that I am missing from the Undaunted set. Two, three, four, okay. So this one starts off with a Hitmonlee, and then a Hitmonchan, Combee, Eevee, Togepi, Burn Tower, Togetic, Sage's Training, a Glilgar Reverse, and my rare is a Metagross non-holo. And this one would be a Pineco, Mawile, Rattata, Grimer, Hitmonlee, a Tang, Darkness Energy, Gloom, an Espeon Prime, which I do not believe that I have, and that card is looking awfully sexy, if you can see that. And my rare is a Skarmory. It's a good score with the Espeon. Take a second. One, two, three, 1, 2. So I have a Hitmonchan, an Oddish, Drifloon, Scyther, Beldum, Eradicate, Burn Tower, Raichu, another Drifloon, and a Blossom Holo. Like that card. So I'm rocking in the Undaunted packs right now. Still have 5 to go. So I'm going to start this one off with a Glilgar. Got a Beldum, Got a Mawile. Got an Eevee. Houndour. A little shiny showing. A little spoiler. Defender. Eradicate. Unknown. And a Raichu Prime. Already have that, but that is a pretty awesome looking card anyways. Doubles are never a bad thing. So that's a nice card. And my holo is a Weevil. Can't complain with the packs that I'm getting. Keeping them coming here. Number 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 2. Oh, an Oddish. A Murkrow. Pineco. Houndour. Misdreavus. Ruins of Alph. Energy Exchanger. Eradicate. A Tropius, which is a rare. And my Mismagius non-holo. Togepi, Combi, Gligar, Stunky, Pineco, Eradicate, Unknown, Team Rocket's Trickery, Darkness Energy Reverse, and a Drifblim. Mawile, a Makahita, and a Scyther, Oddish, Murkrow, Defender, Vaporeon, a Larion, Unknown, which is an uncommon, and Mad Cargo, holo. And the last pack of the Undaunted. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Beldum, Eevee, Misdreavus, Eevee, Slowpoke, Energy Exchanger, Larion, Ruins of Alph, and a Scissor Prime. I'm just priming it up today. And a Vileplume. I think I have Scissor too, but it's a pretty sweet looking card. I think all the primes are pretty cool looking. So 3 primes and 10 packs and a couple of holos. Can't argue with that. The cards or the packs behind me are going to be the next to come, and those would be the Team Rocket First Edition. Quite a few of these. So why don't you stay tuned in this channel, hit that little subscribe button, and come back for the next videos. And don't forget to recycle.